Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how-to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
This is a 2024 International Property Maintenance Code, IPMC. I have a Karen in my subdivision that always keeps calling code enforcement on my vehicles because I have a tarp over them because they're really nice. And she's constantly calling. So I got a violation, and the ASCON inspector, dumb bitch, puts in there that I have to remove the tarps of my vehicles. Well, the code she cited, I went and found the code. This is the exact what the code says, verbatim, for 2024. Has nothing to do with tarps, has nothing to do with any kind of vehicle that is tagged, entitled, and it's covered. Nothing about it whatsoever. So she thinks she can be a Karen as well. So, for all you out there that want to fight this, especially with all them damn Karens, make sure you know the International Property Management Code regulations. I've had to learn everything I could about it because of this lady. And the funny thing is, the house she lives in is not hers, it's her mother's. So she has no skin in the game whatsoever. But she's constantly reporting people with her little racist ass. So, there's that. As long as you have a tag and your tires are aired up, it doesn't even have to have an engine. It just has to be registered, and it's got to have some kind of insurance on it. And the windows can't be busted out, too bad. So, there is that.